If you want to disable the security delay feature on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Face ID and Passcode, then enter your lock screen passcode, and on this page you will find the option of Stolen Device Protection. Just tap on it. Now just disable Stolen Device Protection. Then scan your face using Face ID. Now from here just scroll down and select Start Security Delay. Now the security delay will run for an hour. And as you can see, this is the remaining time of the security delay. Now after the 1 hour mark of the security delay is completed, you will be able to disable Stolen Device Protection, which will disable security delay. Just keep in mind that you should not power off your iPhone or restart your iPhone while the security delay timer is running, because it will cause the security delay to start all over again. Now just wait for an hour, and during that hour you can use your iPhone normally. After the 1 hour mark is completed, just go back to Settings and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode. And from here, just go back to Stolen Device Protection. Now just select Away from Familiar Locations, then scan your face using your Face ID. After that, just disable Stolen Device Protection. And once you do that, you will turn off the security delay on your iPhone. And this is how you can turn off the security delay on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.